Hey everyone, my name is KWolf, and in these videos, every once in a while I get somebody sending me a crash video that, just so we can laugh and make fun of, but I thought I'd take those and do it on a more permanent scale, on a more public scale. So in these videos, I'm just going to take you through the crash, analyze them, and show you exactly the stupidity of some of these people. Now, it is worth noting, these are all amateurs, these are not professionals, so that makes it even funnier. So let's get right into the first video. Wait. Okay, we're starting off great so far. The guy is riding a sport bike down the highway in a t-shirt and shorts. If it's really hot out and you're just going to go casually riding, I can understand this to a point. There's still dangers that if, you lay it down on hit some gravel or something, or if, a car comes by and accidentally hits you for any reason, it's going to hurt and it's going to be looking really worse just because of, the fact that you're in a t-shirt and shorts. But let's just see what this guy does. He's starting off great so far, though. Right. I caught something else right there. Okay, what is his buddy telling him right now? I'm assuming that means wheelie. Pop it up in the air. Let's just see here. Okay, so he's on a wheelie. Let's just see his body position. I don't know if he's actually ever done a wheelie before on a street bike. He's on the passenger pegs, which we've seen guys do that before. Even professionals do that one, but they're professionals for a reason. You'd use the passenger pegs so you can put more leverage. You change your center of gravity so you get more leverage and get the front wheel up into the air. The problem with that, though, is if you can't control the wheelie once you put it down, you are not attached to the motorcycle. So once you slap that thing down, if that's what happens, if this is your first time doing this, you're just all your body's just gonna come crashing down onto the tank, into the seat, and then you have no control. So let's just see if this guy can pull that off, if that's what he's doing. Okay, so he's good. Ooh, did you see that? Just back it up real quick. Oh crap, he's got the speed wobbles. This is a better indicative of this. This is a better show of this. So he's got the speed wobbles, which means he has no control over that bike. He's probably going 65, 70 miles an hour. Let's just assume. It could be more, it could be less. Let's just assume just by standard highway, speeds, he's going 60 to 70 miles an hour. So it kicks him right there and he's already off. So he had no control when he brought it back down. He had no control bringing it down. He had no control once the front wheel hit the ground. So he's already on the ground. Let's just see how far he rolls. Okay, so he probably rolled 200 feet and at least, and went and rolled over himself, multiple times, probably 5 or 6 times. He slid probably 200 feet. So that was great. And then where's the bike? Oh, the bike's just gonna keep going right here. Bike's just going off the road and into the trees. So let's just take a look at this one more time. Okay, you get your encouragement from your buddy. This is why GoPros were invented. It wasn't to capture sports. This was to capture crashing. So this was awesome. Or it may not even be a GoPro. It may have been just a regular camera, but wobble, and you're off. 60 miles an hour equals 90 feet per second. So if you slide for about 3.3 seconds, you are sliding the length of a football field. So just one more time. The encouragement. He's up. He's creeping over to the center line. He's down. Wobble, and off and slide. That just makes it funnier. However, if you noticed, he did have the helmet on. Safety first. So again, this is a crash video. We're going to be putting these out pretty consistently, so thanks for watching.